Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use our Typhon Terra 1 mini excavator. To start it up, you have your choke on the left hand side here. Just pull it up. You turn the key, and it's that simple. On the other side, on this side you have the throttle. So to operate it, you got to bring it up. Then you have your two joysticks. The right hand joystick operates the main boom and the bucket curl. The left hand joystick operates the secondary boom and the rotation of the machine. Then we have this little joystick here. This does the front blade, so down and up. That's simple. When you want to drive the machine, you have two joysticks. The right hand joystick does the right track, the left joystick does the left track. If you want to go straight, both at the same time. If you want to make a turn, go opposite. Now in order to dig, you want to operate the thumb, you just have your foot pedal here. So you've got close and open. That comes in handy when you're grabbing stuff.